we've shown you upstairs what's inside the kit, and we've explained what a tailgate assist is, but this is the reason why you're going to need one in your ute. Now, it's pretty heavy, and if you had a bag of groceries or something, it'd be a pain, but watch this. I'm going to do it gently too, it's way more savage. Like, that's intense. Intense amount of weight. So this kit, sub 200 bucks, is going to completely change that. So what we're going to do now, we've got the tools laid out, you don't need many tools. We're going to install it, it should only take about half an hour, and we'll see how we go. Well, there you go guys, that took us about half an hour to get the job done, and probably 20 minutes to do one side and 10 minutes to do the other, because once you've done it, it's really easy. You just need a couple of basic hand tools. The hardest part was getting these Torx fittings out here, so you're going to need a T40 socket. Don't try using an Allen key or anything like that, it'll just break, as we found out. So get yourself a socket. You need to probably break the paint, so just give it a tap, and really everything else came out easy. You need a 12mm, a 17mm, nothing tricky at all. So we've got this new strap here to stop the tailgate moving down too far. The gas struts are installed both sides. Now let's see how it works. Simply, you know, that's one hand now, really easy. Closes as per normal. You need to actually force it down now. Like, why doesn't every ute have one of these fitted?